YouTube family. A couple of weeks ago, I promised y'all a video using the Big Easy, and I promised y'all smoke. So today, I think we've solved our problem and we got smoke. Now, last week, well, actually first and foremost, I had two viewers who sent me suggestions on how to get smoke. One of the viewers' name is
Andrew Schroeder.
Mr. Andrew Schroeder from Germany. My daughter was so impressed that someone from Germany was watching my YouTube videos. And the next guy was a gentleman by the name of CJ. Now, Andrew suggested this type of smoker. You put the pellets in a snake pattern, and they snake around. You light this in, and they burn slowly, and they last for about 9 hours. The problem is, and I didn't get it on video, when I put this in, it was smoking perfectly. When I turned the Big Easy off, this thing ignited, and I had a fire about 2 feet tall. And what scared me was I didn't know if the fire would back up into that propane tank. So for about a minute, your boy was panicking and panicking hard. So this week, we're gonna try the barrel smoker. This is 6 inches long, and you put these same pellets in this one that you do in this one, and it creates smoke. And the only way I can figure out to light it, since I don't have a torch, was with the Coleman stove. All right, fam. We had a slight hiccup with the Big Easy. I was out of gas, even though I have a video ensuring that that doesn't happen. Now, as I was saying earlier, I got a grill grate right here, and I put the grill grate across the Coleman. I put the 6-inch tube on top of that, filled it with pellets, and now if you can see, we got plenty of smoke. So we're gonna take that, I got on my gloves, we're gonna put this tube in, and we're gonna put it on the top rack instead of underneath, because of that chicken grease drips on the tube. It'll either put the fire out or cause it to flare up. All right, we already got the Big Easy going. We got it lit. After that hiccup, we're gonna stick this in. All right, we're gonna wait about an hour, and we're gonna come back. I take that back. We're gonna wait about 15 minutes. We're gonna come back, and then we're gonna put the lid on top and make sure we capture all that smoke. So y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back in about 15 minutes. All right, fam. It's been about 20 minutes. About 10 minutes after we started, I went ahead and put the lid on. And now it's been about 10 minutes after that. So let's see what we got. Man, I don't know if y'all can see that on camera. We got a little bit of smoke, but not as much as I thought we should have. But that chicken is looking magnificent. So let's go ahead and put the lid back on. Let's let her do her thing. And we'll come back in about another 15 minutes and see what we're working with. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all see that? We got smoke. Now, let's talk about a couple of things. About halfway through, oh, beautiful, beautiful. But one thing I saw I did wrong, and I think I filmed it when I had put this on top of the Coleman stove, the 6-inch tube smoker. I lit it from the bottom. Looking at the box, I think I was supposed to light that from the top, and I'm not sure if standing it up or laying it down makes a difference, but on the box they laid it down. But nevertheless, I'm getting smoke. So one of the mistakes I made when I tried it with the snake, I cut the gas off, then it ignited. So what I'm going to do this time, let's sit this right over here. What I'm gonna do this time, I'm going to pull the basket, and then I'll cut the gas off. I'll have to get with Andreas. He's from talking to him or corresponding with him, he's a technical genius, so he would know the science behind why that happened. And I think it probably has something to do with oxygen. Look at that thing. Whew. I think she's going to ignite though. Then I'll know. Let me cut this gas off. Whew. That thing is going to town. So, Mr. Andreas, I will be using the snake for dry smoking, something like cheese or whatever. Great suggestion, great idea. But if you want to incorporate smoke in the Big Easy, I think the 6-inch tube that CJ suggested is going to be the way to go. And y'all can see right there, I got a fire extinguisher, because when that thing caught on fire, I've been cooking well for the last 10 years. I've been playing with cooking since I was a kid, but I just learned to cook well about 10 years ago. But through all of that, I've never had an incident that frightened me. And so I already had this. I was planning on doing a video on the fire extinguisher and a first aid kit, basically cooking safety. I'm gonna try to get my wife incorporated. She's a nurse, and we're gonna try to put together a good home first aid kit. So y'all stay tuned for that. That'll be coming in the coming weeks. Next week I got a video, a couple of weeks, I got a video coming on this contraption I put together. I made a little table on the side of my pit smoke, pit. Just got videos coming. So y'all stay tuned, man. I think I got some really good content coming. That thing's still smoking. I'm about to probably put water on that to put it out. So I've carried on enough. Once again, if y'all like this video, give her a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you like what we're doing here at This and That, consider becoming a subscriber. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosel. Y'all have a great day, a great week, and a great rest of this 2020.